What are the steps for completing an adoption? Attorney Robert Bellinger says, the first step is to educate yourself about adoption. There's a lot of material available online on the internet, or you may know somebody who's already adopted and you would possibly talk to them about what the expectations are regarding an adoption and what steps to take. The more information that an adoptive parent has, the better choices they can make for themselves and the children that they want to adopt. This is a big deal where you're bringing a child into your life and into your home. You can't just return the child and say, I changed my mind. This isn't going to work and I don't want the child. So knowing what you're going to begin is very important. Another thing is deciding what type of adoption a person would want to pursue. Is it going to be the adoption of the special needs child? Obviously, there are a lot of things you need to prepare for in adopting a special needs child. Medical issues, psychological issues, and things like that. A person only needs to think about and decide what type of child they are willing to bring in their family. If there are disabilities and challenges, what the adoptive person could comfortably handle. Another thing is, how old a child do you want to adopt? Or what would the age range be? What would the background of the child be? And the necessity that would fit in your household. Another thing is, would you be willing to adopt siblings? Because that's becoming common, where it's not just one child that's been possibly removed from biological parents. It could be siblings or a set of children. Those are all things that have to be decided by an adoptive parent. Another step would be to investigate ways to cover the expenses or the cost of an adoption, including the home study that's going to have to be done. Attorney fees and court costs that could range anywhere between $5,000 and $10,000. So you want to investigate ways that you can financially handle those burdens associated with an adoption. And the government provides tax credit for adopting families, and Indiana has an adoption subsidy as well that is offered for parents wanting to adopt. For a free consultation, call Attorney Robert Bellinger at 260-428-2214 or visit his website at www.robertbellingerlaw.com.